All right, here goes a lesson on Sultans of Swing by Dire Straits. So we're going to have this D minor chord to start with. Okay, so we got 8 times of that. So what that was is down, down, up, down. The down, up, down is real fast after the down. So, and the third one, you kind of stop abruptly like a staccato hit. So down, down, up, down, and stop it. And then you go up, down, up, down. And the last one of that up, down is a cut one too, like a staccato. Now if you want to go real simple, you can just go like down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So let's try that easy one together. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, and if you want to try the fancier one with me, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when we get into the other chords there, let's say we do like the last 2 of those 8. So here goes the verse. So that was C, 5, 5, 5 on the top 3, and you want to mute the bottom one. C major, B flat, to A7, 2, 0, 2, 0. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's one of those down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Then we're going to go to F. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Or it could be like a down, down, kind of a chick, up, down, up, down, down, chick, up, down, up, down. And this F also has a little special thing where it goes. So when you get to that F, it's going to be like ba-da-dum, da-ba-da-da-da. So let's try it again from the verse. And the verse could be kind of simple with the D minor, or you could do that. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, down, down, up, down, up, down, twice on the A7, and back. See how that works on that F. Ba-da-dum, da-da-dum. And that's going to be that little 7, 5, and 6. It's kind of that start me up riff. Let's go from that F. 2, 3, and 2 Fs there to C. And then this little riff to the B flat. Okay, so from that verse, 1, 2, 1, 2, A7. F, C, F, F, C, B flat, D minor. Then we're gonna go. So that was 3, 3, 3, and then we do that as a chord, and then we put this 6 in here in the second string to make it a slightly different chord. We're gonna slide those 2 big 3s to the 5s. And then we end with this. 2, 5, 7, 5 in the G. So full thing, let's go from the F again to the end of the verse, through the end of that first verse. So let's look at the second verse here. So we got F, so that little riff was, so that was the little 10s, the little 8s to the 10s on the second and third string. there's 2 of those B flats on that second verse. So let's go from the F of the second verse. Then we got the big riff. So that's a D minor. To the C, B flat, F to C, and then we come over here to the 10s, to the 10, 9, 8. And then we got our riff. Then we're going to go to the third verse. Just about the same stuff. F. Same high riff. Got a little fill kind of like that. So we just did one of the B flats on that one. So let's look at that. Okay, so that's a little fill. 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. So that kind of feeds right into the beginning of the fourth verse there. Got a solo. The solo is going to keep the same chords. So you just go through all those chords there, and then we're going to end with a 2 times. Then we're back to the big riff. Now we have the 6th verse. Basically the same kind of stuff. So just to make this go a little quicker, I'm going to skip the F thing. So it ends the same, it just has the B flat thing twice. Then you get your big riff again. Let's slow down and play that together. So 2, 3, 4. And then 2, 5, 7, 5. Okay, now this next solo, we have another solo here. It's going to be D minor, skipping straight to the B flat, then up to the C. So we got... Could do that quick C there. But we got like 2 C's here at the end. So it's a different progression for this solo. It's kind of a mixture of those little riffs. Now check out this cool thing here we got. So that is little triads. I just had a couple lessons about triads. This is a perfect example of a triad. This is the D minor triad right here. So when we're playing a D minor chord, that's the notes that are happening. The 3 notes of a D minor chord, D, F, and A. This is F, D, and A. So we're going 13 to 10, pull off, then 10, and then back to the little 10. So we do 4 of those. Then all we do is we put this finger here on the 11th fret of the 2nd string. That becomes a B flat. The notes of the B flat. So we got D minor. And you could stop on that low one if you want there. Then the B flat. Take that up 2 frets, we got a C. Do that twice as long. Okay, so those are good to practice. Let's try it. 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then we get up to the C one. We got to do that twice. It kind of ends with the big riff. And it fades out right around there. Okay, so once again we have our, then we have some intro licks I forgot to give you. So it's the 2 big 5s sliding into the 7s. So it's like 5, 5, 7, and then you're gonna go. So that was the big 5 sliding first, and then hitting the 7 underneath when you get up there. And then we're gonna go 6 on the 2nd string, back to the 7 on the 3rd string. So we got. You can do a little rake here. A rake is when you go across all the 3 strings. That's 7, 6, and 5. So I went 7, 6, 5, and then to the 8, and then back to the 5 and to the 6. And then we got 5, 6, 5 to the 7 here. So we got. And that gets that first verse going. All right, the Great Sultans of Swing by the awesome Dire Straits and Mark Knopfler. Hope you all enjoyed that. We will talk to you soon. Let us know if you got any requests. All right, peace out. Thanks.